told you that not every narcissist dreams of becoming a parent. In fact, some avoid having children completely. But here's the shocking part. It is not always because they hate kids. Sometimes it's because children take away the one thing narcissists crave the most: control. Today we are going beyond myths and exploring the real psychology behind why some narcissists choose not to have children and why this decision can reveal more about their emotional worth than most people realize. Before we begin, not everyone who doesn't want children is a narcissist. Millions of kind, emotionally healthy people choose to remain child free, and that's completely valid. This video focuses only on people with strong narcissistic traits or narcissistic personality disorder, not child free adults in general. A child doesn't care about your status, your expensive car, your followers, your achievements. None of that matters to a crying baby at 3 a.m. Children demand something narcissistic often struggle to give: unconditional emotional presence. For someone whose identity revolves around admiration and external validation, parenting can feel less like love and more like losing control. Think about what happens when a baby born. Friends ask about the baby, family celebrate the baby, your partner naturally spends more time caring for the baby. The spotlight shifts. For emotionally healthy parents, this feels natural and normal. But someone who constantly needs to be the center of attention may experience this shift as rejection. Not because the child has done anything wrong, but because they are no longer receiving all the attention. Young children depend on adults, but they also grow. They develop opinions, they question rules, they say no. Healthy parents slowly encourage independence, but someone who sees relationships as a power struggles may feel threatened when a child becomes emotionally independent. Children are not robots. Eventually, they stop reflecting exactly what their parents want. Young parenting is one of the biggest commitments a person can make. It means sacrificing sleep, money, time, and sometimes personal dreams. If someone already struggles with responsibility in friendships or romantic relationships, the lifelong responsibility of raising a child may feel overwhelming. Some simply don't want that level of commitment. Here's something many people don't realize. Narcissists actually do want children. Sometimes they see children as an extension of themselves, a reflection of their success, or a way to create the image of the perfect family. Others genuinely love their children while still struggling with narcissistic behaviors. Human psychology is rarely black and white. That's why it's dangerous to assume every difficult parent or every child free adult is a narcissist. The real question is not do they want children? The better question is how do they treat the people who depend on them? Empathy, respect, accountability, the ability to admit mistakes. Those qualities matter far more than whether someone becomes a parent. Character is not measured by having children, it's measured by how you treat other human beings. If you have survived a relationship with someone who had strong narcissistic traits, don't spend your life trying to understand every decision they made. Whether they wanted children, didn't want children, or used children as a source of control. Your healing doesn't depend on solving every mystery about them. It depends on rebuilding yourself. Sometimes the healthiest question is not why were they like that? It's what kind of life do I want to create from here? Because while you can't rewrite your past, you can absolutely rewrite your future. If this video helped you understand narcissistic behavior more deeply, subscribe to the Self Liberation for Psychology based content. And tell me in the comments, do you think a person's desire to have children says anything about their character, or is it how they treat others that truly matters? Take care of your mind, protect your peace, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.